Welcome to Car Benz, your ultimate destination for automotive reviews, in-depth specifications, and unique features of iconic vehicles from around the globe. Today, we take a closer look at the 1966 Saab Sonett II, a car that perfectly embodies innovation, style, and the charm of Swedish engineering. The Saab Sonett II made its debut as a lightweight sports car designed for enthusiasts who crave performance and exclusivity. At its core, the 1966 Sonett II was powered by a three-cylinder, two-stroke engine, producing 60 horsepower. While this might seem modest by today's standards, the car's lightweight fiberglass body made it incredibly nimble and responsive. Weighing only about 600 kilograms, it delivered an engaging driving experience with excellent acceleration for its time. The compact engine was paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, giving drivers full control over its capabilities. The Sonett II's design was bold and futuristic. Its streamlined body featured sharp angles and a distinct, low-profile silhouette, setting it apart from other cars of its era. The aerodynamics were carefully considered, with a sloping front end and integrated headlamps that added to its unique appearance. The rear was equally striking, with a sporty design that hinted at its performance-oriented nature. The Sonett II was a true head-turner, often regarded as a car ahead of its time in terms of aesthetics. Step inside, and you'll find a minimalist yet functional cockpit. The interior was designed with the driver in mind, featuring a straightforward layout that emphasized functionality over luxury. The seating position was low and sporty, providing an immersive driving experience. The instrument cluster included essential gauges like speedometer, tachometer, and fuel level, all arranged for easy readability. Despite its compact size, the Sonett II offered reasonable comfort for two passengers, making it a suitable choice for spirited drives and weekend adventures. In terms of handling, the Saab Sonett II was a joy to drive. Its lightweight construction, combined with a low center of gravity, ensured excellent agility and cornering stability. The front-wheel drive layout provided impressive traction, even in challenging conditions. Saab's commitment to safety was evident in the car's design, with features like a roll bar integrated into the structure, ensuring enhanced protection for occupants. The Sonett II wasn't just about performance and looks, it also reflected Saab's dedication to innovation. The use of fiberglass for the body not only reduced weight but also improved durability and resistance to corrosion. This material choice was groundbreaking at the time and demonstrated Saab's forward-thinking approach to car manufacturing. Additionally, the two-stroke engine was engineered for efficiency and simplicity, making it a practical choice for enthusiasts who appreciated engineering ingenuity. Production of the Saab Sonett II was limited, making it a rare gem in the automotive world. Its exclusivity has contributed to its status as a sought-after collector's item today. While the car was eventually succeeded by the Sonett III, the 1966 Sonett II remains a significant chapter in Saab's history, representing the brand's dedication to blending performance, style, and innovation. At Car Benz, we celebrate iconic vehicles like the Saab Sonett II for their contribution to automotive culture and history. If you're as passionate about cars as we are, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Your support helps us bring more in-depth reviews, fascinating features, and expert insights about the automotive world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.